Mobil mana yang selamat ketika melewati jalan yang dikorupsi? Toyota Alphard, Daihatsu Seeker, Innova Reborn, Mitsubishi Pajero, Honda CR-V,
What are the odds of surviving extreme overtaking in one of these Lamborghinis? Aventador. Rockin'. Revuelto. Murcielago. Urus. Gallardo. What are the odds of surviving extreme overtaking in one of these convertibles while crossing a dangerous intersection? Audi TT. Porsche 911. Fiat 126. BMW E36. Mercedes-Benz C63S. Which of these cars can keep the piano intact during an extreme overtaking? Mercedes-Benz E190. Volkswagen Transporter. Opel Combo. Volvo 140. Audi 3.
Which of these cars can pass through this narrow path without damage? The Ferrari LaFerrari. Very nice engine. The BMW X5. Goodbye wheel. Porsche 911 Turbo S. It is still beautiful. The Tesla Cyberpunk. The batteries caught fire. The fire truck. It's way too big. The Mercedes GLE. Everything is now open. Lamborghini Aventador SVG. The airbags deployed. The Lada Shiguli. Perfect. I test my subscribers' cars. Tell me your car in the comments.